We are driving to the gas station now after the purge solenoid install. We're gonna go fill it up until we hear a click, and then we're gonna go on a test drive. Pre-fill up, acting as it should. Accelerates good. Okay, we're gonna go top this. We're gonna go top this thing off and do a test drive after. Okay, we are at the gas station now. I'm gonna put 87 in it. Customer states after one click from the fuel pump and a full tank, car starts acting up. We're gonna fill it up until we hear a click, and then we're gonna go on a test drive after. All right, there's our click. All right, we're gonna go on a test drive now. We are back in the car. As you can see, we have a full tank. We're starting off at 147,900 miles. I'm gonna go take this on a test drive to verify the purge solenoid has corrected the issue. Okay, we are beginning our test drive. Full tank of gas. We're at 147,900. Taking this on a test drive to verify the purge solenoid has corrected the issue. We currently have no lights on the dash. Vehicle is performing as it should. We are 7 miles into the test drive. Vehicle did just surge a tad. Cannot tell if purge solenoid related issue or transmission. We're halfway through our test drive. We're going to try idling in gear to see if surging continues. We are in drive and we are idling just fine. We're going to continue our test drive now. Brakes feel very good. The shudder I did not feel like motor power loss. It felt transmission related. no lights on the dash. Brakes feel good. Test drive. We have put 13 miles on the vehicle. It drove great, brakes feel good. We did have that one shutter off camera. I'm going to say that was a transmission shutter, as this vehicle has no loss of power, no black smoke blowing out of the exhaust. We are idling in gear. There's no surging at this time. Per Illinois teams to have rectified the problem.